Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about saving and exporting data. Saving data in R is essential for preserving work or sharing it with others. It can be done in formats like CSV, Excel, or RData. For instance, to save a data frame as a CSV file in R, you can use the write.csv function. This stored data can be easily accessed and utilized in future analyses or shared across different platforms for collaborative projects. Exporting data in R is crucial for sharing or utilizing data in external programs. To accomplish this, you can write data to an external file such as Excel using libraries like OpenXLSX. For instance, if you have a data frame named MyDataFrame and wish to export it as an Excel file, you can use the write.xlsx function from the OpenXLSX library, specifying the data frame and file name as arguments. This allows you to efficiently transfer data for collaborative analysis or integration into various tools beyond R. Saving and exporting data are crucial for data preservation and sharing. By utilizing functions like write.csv or write.xlsx in R, you can save your data in a structured format such as CSV or Excel. This enables easy sharing with colleagues or stakeholders and facilitates further analysis in tools like Microsoft Excel or Python. For instance, saving a dataset as a CSV file can allow for easy import into statistical software for analysis, while an Excel file can provide a familiar interface for non-technical users to explore the data. When working with data files, it is essential to maintain consistent file naming conventions for easy organization and identification. For instance, you can save sales data for January as salesdatajanuary.csv and customer data as customerdata.xlsx to clearly indicate the content of each file. Additionally, including relevant metadata or documentation within the files can further explain the data, providing context for users who access the files. This practice enhances data management and ensures efficiency in data analysis and reporting processes. Saving data is like writing important information on a piece of paper and keeping it in a safe place. Exporting data is like making a photocopy of that important information and giving it to someone else to use. In programming, saving data involves storing it in a file on the computer's memory. Exporting data in programming is like converting that saved data into a different file format so it can be used by another program or system. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The R code snippet provided above showcases how to save and export data. Firstly, a sample data frame name is created using the data.frame function, containing columns for ID, name, and age. Next, the save RDS function is used to save the data frame to a file named sampledata.rds in a serialized format, facilitating storage and retrieval of the data structure. The serialized file extension is .rds, which maintains the original structure and attributes of the data. Following the data saving process, the data from the sampledata.rds file is exported to a CSV file named sampledata.csv using the write.csv function. The CSV file format is commonly used for exporting tabular data, and the row.names equals false argument ensures that row numbers are not included in the exported file. By executing the code, you would see the output messages indicating the successful saving, data saved successfully, and exporting, data exported successfully, of the data. Real-world applications of saving and exporting data in this manner include scenarios such as archiving and sharing datasets with colleagues or collaborators in a serialized format for data integrity preservation, preparing data for analysis in external tools or software platforms that support CSV file inputs, allowing seamless data interchange between systems, backing up critical datasets in a compact serialized format for long-term storage and future reference. This technical narration illustrates the fundamental concepts and practical implementation of saving and exporting data within the R programming environment. In the industrial world, saving and exporting data is crucial for various applications and industries. One example is in the healthcare sector, where patient data needs to be saved securely for further analysis and research purposes. Hospitals and medical research facilities utilize data saving techniques to store patient information securely and efficiently. Another example is in the financial industry, where trading data and market analytics are saved and exported for decision making processes. Financial institutions rely on data saving techniques to store historical market data, perform trend analysis, and generate reports for stakeholders. Across the globe, various sectors leverage saving and exporting data techniques to handle and analyze large data sets efficiently, make informed decisions, and drive innovations in their respective fields. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.